Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to install Java in your computer or laptop. This is very easy. You can just click on your favorite browser and open any of your search engine like Google and type here Java download. You will click here multiples of website, but you should select only Oracle Corporation's official website because actually Java has developed by Sun Microsystem, but now it's acquired by the Oracle Corporation, and every updates and every properties acquired Oracle Corporation. So you will get every Java product on Oracle platform. So you will click on oracle.com, then you will see your latest versions of Java available here, and if you will go here java.com, you will get also Java, but this is the old versions of Java because of this is the java.com, and it is the free version of Java, and you can get here old version of Java. If you will see here, you will get Java version 8.0. If you want to go through 8.0, if you want to install 8.0 in your computer, so it is a very good for you, and you can get here. This is the java.com, and you can get the original Java of Sun Microsystem product you can get here. But if you want to latest version of Java, so you have to click on oracle.com and select your operating system. In my case, my system is the Windows system, so I am going to click on Windows. Here you will see multiple options like MSI installer. This is the Microsoft installer file, and another is the exe installer file, and the third one is the .zip file, but we need to installer file, so I will click on the .exe file. If you don't want, you can go through it also. These both are the similar, there is no any major difference. So I'm going to throw exe file. I click on this, and it has start download, and but in my case I have already downloaded, so I will go to cancel it. And if you will go in download section, I have downloaded JDK24. Click on yes. You have to click on next. So Java SC Development Kit 24 is successfully installed, and I'm going to close it. Let me check on terminal. Java C. So you can check which version of Java installed in your computer or laptop. You have to type Java version. So you can see here I have installed Java 24. I have also installed Java 22, but it could show only latest version of Java. So second part of video is how could you run your first Java program at your CMD. So I'm going to show you how could you run, how to create Hello World program and run on CMD. So create a new Java file, its name hello dot java, and you can open it through Notepad. Class hello public static void main string ab. sys system dot out dot system dot out dot println hello Java, and save it. Now you can run it on CMD. Open CMD. So this is your command prompt, and here you can type javac hello dot java. It's successful, and java hello. So hello Java. So now it has complete, and today I would show how could you install Java in your laptop and computer, and and also I did show you how can run your first Hello World program. So I will meet you in next video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.